Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your WooCommerce thank you page to increase sales. Uh, Most of us already aware of WooCommerce, the standard receipt page. The design is not looks very good, and then actually we can customize that. What we need to do is we need this plugin, WooCommerce thank you page customizer. You can download the free version from here. Is a thank you page customizer for WooCommerce, or if you want to buy the premium, you can buy it from here. This one will cost you 18 USD, and then rest proceed. Okay, first after you install it, what you need to do, you go to the thank you page tab there, you click on the thank you page, and then this one by the default one will be disabled. You need to enable it. Then the Google Map is for your store location. If you want to put your map into the thank you page, you need to get a API from Google. The API key is free of charge. Then after that, you need to do some more setting, but the setting I'm not going to go through in this video. The setting is quite basic. If you want to send coupon email, and then the coupon email content, and then the coupon, the builder will automatically create one for you. You can clone it from there. You can also edit it from there. You see the fixed charge coupon or percentage coupon, and then you can also apply some rules. And let's say their minimum order is 100, and then you only offer them this coupon. And then you can also from here, actually you can also use the existing coupon. You just need to type the name here, the existing coupon that you create here. You type the name here, the builder will search for you, and then you can import them and then use them. So basically this is a very basic setting only. So after we save it, what I want to show you is this one. You go to the design, we will insert a few elements to increase sales. This is the thank you page. After your customer pay, they will get something like this one. The builder will build a default for you. This one, you see, this one is quite different compared to WooCommerce. This one looks better. You see the order detail, the product image here, and then all the detail is here. How many their order subtotal, and then their the customer billing is here. The order confirmation, the receipt number, and then the payment method. And then this one, the builder will auto generate one section here for you. This one is congratulations, you have unlocked a USD 10 or 10% coupon. This one, we click on that. Actually, we click on that. You can choose the color, you can choose the font size, you can set your own stuff here, so that people will focus on this part. People will know that you are offering them a coupon for their next purchase. So we are encourage them to buy more, because right now they already entitled for one coupon. And what I recommend you to do is we insert another component product here. The product, you can choose your on sales product, you can choose your feature product, resident view product. Personally, I will use the upsell product. Let me show you why. I go to my product, and then I need to find this product. Find the dark breast. Let me go to the dark breast and show you. The link product, I already put 3 here as a upsell. Upsell is technically the product that are more profitable for you, so you can earn more by selling this. So you are promoting this. So right now, the product, I set it to upsell. So right now I have 3, so I set it as 3 columns. So if you want to enable the slider effect, also can. Let's say you have 6, your product limit, you put it 6, and then you will have a sliding effect in this section. Personally, I only have 3, so I insert this one. You can also clone or create another product section here and choose your feature product, so that you choose another 3 feature product here. So there's a total of 6 for your client to choose from. In this example, I will only use 3. So right now we already put the product here. What I recommend you to do is this product you move to the top. Let them see, okay, their product order, thank you, their name, and then told them that they already have a coupon, they already unlock a coupon, and then they can directly buy it from here. So below that is their order confirmation of their previous order. And then if you want, you can also add another section here, and then add your store location. Click on the edit button, and then this is my store. The market label, you can change it, and then your store address, and then you can also change the marker. You can also change the style. Right now I'm using the default Google Map. You can pick the style you want from here, from this side. Let's say you want black and white. This one, you just click on it, and then you just copy the code, paste it here, and then all is done already. And then right now I would like to show you another one. Is okay, right now we already insert a few products here. We already offer your customer coupon to use. I think we need to put 1 or 2 more line text here to convince them to buy. So I will add a text editor. Let's say for this example, product you may like. I set as H1. I insert it there. So the text editor, I move it below the coupon. You can use your own text here, because I think this is quite important. This is when people they see this, they already know that you offer them a coupon. Then you need to give them a reason that why they need to buy this stuff. So I will end this video here. If anyone want me to do a special video for WooCommerce, please comment below. Okay, thank you.